Hey everyone, today we're coming from you inside the shed, and this shed is actually in pretty rough shape, but I'm going to use it for some storage. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put up some ladder hooks, storage hooks. I got these off of Amazon. They were a little cheaper than a local hardware store and supposedly a little sturdier and also a little deeper. I pay a little extra for some of the supposedly nicer ones. We'll see how they work. So I don't know if you can see it, but I did put my laser level up for level line because I don't trust how level this shed is, although it actually doesn't look too bad based on the laser level. And I apologize if this video bounces a bit because the shed floor is very weak, and so yeah, it's a little bouncy in here. So as I walk around, it's probably going to be bouncing around a bit. Nail in my way. I think I'll use screws that are a little longer than that. Just to be on the safe side. Move some of this stuff to get that lower screw. Excuse me. pretty good. Let's take the lazy approach to, so I'm gonna take everything off this shelf. Right, a couple more screws. And now we'll restack this. So I have to take it down anyway. Alright, let's put in a few more. Don't know where I'm going to attach my laser level though. Let's be roughly that. I think I'm just going to have to measure down from the other ones. Inches from the top to top seems like a pretty good one. Right. We'll go with that. Let's check that. Perfect. I can recover my lost screw. There it is. Alright, perfect. Let's see. So these are about 10.5 inches on the inside at their widest point. They stick out about 12.5 from the wall. I can fit a 8-inch board on the very, very flattest part. It's 9.25. How would that fit? That'd be up a bit. I think the shed's something like 12 foot long. Yeah, about 12-foot shed. There's 8 foot in between these. So I'm happy with that. And now I have to fill them up with stuff. Got some 2x4s and stuff I want to stack and store in here. Just wanted to show the hooks are all up, installed. Got them all filled up with all the stuff I wanted to hang for the time being. I also went and removed all of the random nails that were stuck in the walls over the years for hanging things. So I'm not gonna accidentally gouge myself. There was a big 2x4 with nails in it for hanging things on this side across the thing. Remove that, cut it up, and kind of tidied up the shed a bit. But while I'm here, I'll show you the shed. Well, in addition to the roof leak, you can see it's had some issues. I did get a quote to get a new roof put on, but then I noticed all this. The foundation is on these piers that are leaning significantly. In the back, there's a big lump in the center from where I am assuming, yeah, that
post there is kind of just pushing up the center of the shed there. So basically there's foundation shot on this thing, so probably gonna have to get a new shed at some point. But just a quick update. Thanks for watching, everyone.